I almost dropped the knife. I almost dropped it. Okay, this is the second edition, not the second cookbook. No, sir. It is the second edition. We made some changes. We put in an index, and now, oh, I can feel it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at this. I'll turn it to you.
Oh, we changed the box so it's more protected in shipping.
The box is more protective. And of course we have our little thank you gift, which is a free sample of the spices. Make some chicken with that, baby, or some salmon. Yum! And it has a big thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we shrink wrapped it so that no rain can get in there.
Yes.
You're not gonna put out my sunshine. Okay, so let's use this little knife here.
Be careful.
I know. Ooh. Trying to go quick without being reckless. Ah! Okay, so let's see. Now it's getting kind of long. Okay, ooh, it feels so nice.
Yes.
I forget what it feels like when it comes in. Okay, creamy mushroom pasta. Oh, yum, California Club. It's the sauce that makes the sandwich. So all kinds of goodies in here, but we also put in an index.
Oh, look at that.
See you on the road.
Oh,
that's so cool. And there's Mr. Mark and I goofing around. And an index!
Oh, that's awesome.
So you can easily find apps, veggies, seafood, happy hour, sweets and treats.
Sweets.
But my favorite part
And treats.
is the sweet heat. Cool.
See you soon. Bye.